20 years of accompanying generations of students, the university has become a strong university, a university of quality with sustainable development. It is the first and largest private university in central Vietnam. The multi-level, multidisciplinary, multisectoral university becomes the second common home where students study together, make friends and take part in exciting activities at the university. The path of construction and development of the university is marked by proud figures. The school has enrolled more than 140,000 research students, trainees, college and vocational high school students, and has trained highly qualified human resources to serve the community, including more than 80,000 masters, doctors, pharmacists, architects, engineers and graduates. More than 95% of university graduates find employment within 6 months of graduation. Thanks to a solid educational background and the ability to find a suitable career, in particular, all graduates in architecture, construction, information technology, food technology, environment are employed before and immediately after graduation. Currently, the university is training 10 doctoral programs, 15 master's programs, 52 undergraduate programs, foreign study programs, American degrees, advanced and international programs, talent programs, foreign study programs associated with major universities around the world are attracting huge numbers of candidates to study. The international exchange programs are enthusiastically by students, creating a learning space and cultural exchange between the university and other countries that contribute to promoting the Vietnamese image abroad. In its 30s, the university is proud to be ranked among many of the world's prestigious charts as the top 500 best bikers in the world according to QS World University's ranking of the top 600 best bikers of the world, according to TH Education's 2902 quarters chart. This achievement is rooted in the synthesis of factors, becoming an internal force for the university to continue to grow with determination as students' academic and employment rights meet social, regional and international needs. Now there are 500 all ready to join the school, train high-quality professionals, including big guys like Samsung, Hyundai, Danton, Microsoft, LG Viettravel, Saigon Tourist, Intercontinental. The University of Vietnam became the first university in Vietnam to obtain the United Nations Certificate of Quality of Tourism Education, specializing in hospitality. The University of New Excian has also achieved APEC accreditation in the United States. The school is also recognized as a bright spot in scientific research, with many works and articles published internationally. Many topics at the state level, ministerial level, protocol, provincial level have patent monopolies and certificates of useful solutions, certificates registered protection abroad. The school has built 3 science and technology journals, one from Corpus and one from IFCI. 2602 and 3. 4 scientists from the University of Vientiane entered the rankings of the world's most outstanding scientists according to the research website, which includes Associate Professors Dr. Binationality, Dr. Anas Nia, the German Imperial Japanese PhD, and Dr. Chen Guihe. Of the 47 Vietnamese who entered the top of the world's most influential scientists in 2,203, according to the publisher Elsevier, there are 2 scientists from the University of Vietnam, one of the top 10,000 influential scientists, that's Dia King Japan ranked 5,501, and Dr. Chen Guihe ranked 6,606 and 9. Teachers and students of the university have received high awards in Vietnam and abroad, especially in the academic year of 2002-2023, in their efforts to learn and improve their health. Many students from the University of Vietnam have shone on the intellectual arena, with the pride of the sports talent bringing gold medals to the country. By the year and the vision of the year 2530, the University of Vietnam strives to be a training, research and service corporation based on modern humanities and taking the culture of innovation as its core, to build the university to become a million startup university. At the same time, will be the home of fresh memories of many generations of students, with years of learning inspired to success on the road to the future.